Have you ever looked at the midges in your river, only to find out that you have nothing in your fly box that represents a clear pattern? Well, this midge solves that problem. To start, we'll secure some mono thread to our hook shank and grab some clear vinyl ribbing. We'll secure this to our hook shank right around the hook point. Secure tightly and continue wrapping well into the bend of the hook. Reverse your thread's direction, finishing at the hook point. We'll then grab some UV crystal flash. Here I'm using pearl. Secure a single strand to your hook shank and begin building up a small body transition towards the head of the fly. Grab your crystal flash and begin to take a few touching turns a little ways past your hook point and continuing up to the thread. Secure and grab your vinyl wire. We'll begin to wrap this forward in close touching spirals until we reach our thread. At which point we'll secure, taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind our wire and snipping the excess free. Secure your tag end and build up a thread base at the head of the fly to be equal to the body section, finishing with your thread at the head of the fly. At which point we'll grab our crystal flash and begin to wrap this back on top of our thread. Secure by taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind and snipping the excess free. Whip finish for durability. Snip your thread free and paint over the head with a little bit of UV resin. And this is a diamond bling midge. And give it a try next time you see some phantom or clear midges in your waters. If you don't tie, you could pick this up from my website listed below. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.